Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable rolling over pensions into an IRA with Fidelity, full guide step by step clearly. To enable rolling over pensions into an IRA with Fidelity, start by assessing your eligibility for a rollover. Confirm that your pension plan allows for rollovers. Next, gather the necessary information regarding your existing pension plan. This includes details about the plan provider, account numbers, and contact information. Open your web browser and visit the Fidelity website. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one by clicking on the Open an Account button. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your personal information and set up your account. Once your account is created, log in to the Fidelity platform. Navigate to the Transfers section found in the main menu. Select Roll over your retirement account from the options provided. Carefully read through the instructions and details presented about the rollover process. You will be asked to choose the type of account you want to roll your pension into. Select Traditional IRA or Roth IRA, depending on your financial goals and tax situation. Proceed to provide the information about your current pension plan. You may need to submit details about the amount you wish to roll over. Next, check for any associated fees or penalties that may apply. Complete any necessary forms required by Fidelity for the rollover. Once you've filled out all the required information, review everything for accuracy. Submit your rollover request through the Fidelity platform. After submission, monitor your email for confirmation and further instructions. Stay in contact with both Fidelity and your pension provider to ensure the transfer is completed smoothly. As the process may take a few weeks, patience is important. Finally, keep track of your new IRA account to manage your investments effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.